Welcome to this series of lessons on blend modes in Photoshop. Blend modes can be found in two distinct areas in Photoshop. The first will be on the Layers panel, located here. The other one will be located when we use a tool such as the paintbrush at the top. You have the same options in both places, but they apply to two different things. For example, I'm going to go to my background layer and I'm going to draw in on the canvas a basic smiley face. Okay. There we go. Now, what I mean by two different places, the first is on the Layers menu. If I turn on my multi-layer here, you'll notice that it is set to multiply. When it's set to multiply, that will make any color darker. If you'll notice, in this set of blend modes, they are all divided into sections. The top section is your normal modes. The second section has to do with darkening, different dark options, color, even darker. The third section is lightening. The fourth section has to do with light. The fifth section with dividing light and excluding light and colors. And the last section has to do completely with colors, hue, saturation, luminosity. The ones we're going to look at in these follow-up lessons are multiply and screen. In multiply, as I said before, it makes everything appear darker. So you can probably guess that if we turn screen on, everything will be lighter on this side. Now if I use black on my pen on a screen layer, you'll notice that it does not show up at all. It will darken slightly some things that are already there, but black will not show up on a screen layer. However, you'll notice if I turn off my bottom layer, there's the black that I was drawing. With a multiply layer, if we were to use white, you'll notice that it does show up. It looks like it's erasing it on the outside. Okay, and there's the white we were using. You also have different modes with your brush. If I continue on with my design, I can go to the very top and I can even do a screen mode on a multiply layer. And it would appear lighter than before. If I go back to my canvas, I can do multiply. And it would appear darker than normal if I'm on black. Darker than normal. Okay? So you have different modes for different settings, both tool and layer, in two different places. Okay? In the next lesson, we'll talk about how blending modes can be used in coloring assignments. And we are going to start with our wizard. So we'll see you then.